My name is Jed McKeehan, and today we're going to talk about the term subrogation. Now, that's a legal term that you may have heard of, but may not know actually what it means. Subrogation is usually involved in personal injury cases. So say you get in a car wreck, someone hurts you, runs into the back of your vehicle, and you go to the doctor, go to the ER, go to physical therapy, and you have medical insurance, Blue Cross Blue Shield, Medicare, whoever that pays some of those medical bills for you. So your total medical expenses are $10,000, and you go to the other side through your attorney or insurance company and they offer you a settlement of say $20,000. Okay, you're excited about that. You're excited about the $20,000 that you're going to get. However, you have to pay back your medical insurance company for any payments made on your behalf, because the accident or someone else is paying you because of the accident and the injuries that were caused to you. They're entitled to a subrogation interest, meaning they get paid back every dollar they paid out on your behalf. So Blue Cross Blue Shield paid out $5,000 on your behalf. They get all of that money back out of your settlement funds. And this is the law. I wish it wasn't this way, but this is what it says in Tennessee has to happen, and they have a right to have those funds reimbursed to you, which can be upsetting to people. They pay medical insurance premiums their entire life, and when they actually use their medical insurance for an accident that wasn't their fault, then they have to pay that money back. It doesn't seem fair, but that's just the way it is, and why it can be important to have an attorney help you navigate that personal injury process and dealing with these insurance companies, which can be a big part of that process. You can find out more about this legal issue and other legal issues by going to my website, attorney-knoxville.com. You can view my other YouTube videos. You can also find me on Facebook and Twitter.